Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. If your iPhone is stuck on the restore screen and you find it unresponsive no matter what you do, what steps should you take in this situation? In today's video, I will guide you on how to fix an iPhone stuck in the restore or recovery mode screen. Let's get started. Method 1. Force restart your iPhone. A standard forced restart can solve many problems. Apple recommends the following method. First press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Wait a moment, and if you find that this method fails, do not be discouraged. We will try the next method. Method 2. Fix the iPhone with iTunes. This is an effective and commonly used method. First, ensure your phone remains connected to the computer throughout the process. Once iTunes is launched, a window will pop up offering the option to repair problems via restore or update. You need to choose update. After that, you can click on the top right corner to check the download progress, but this method may sometimes result in data loss or certain errors during the repair process. To repair your iPhone efficiently and safely, I strongly recommend the method that will be used next. Method 3. Fix the iPhone with Re-iBoot. Tenorshare Re-iBoot can help you solve this problem with just one click, and it can also repair over 150 iOS system issues. Please check the download link in the description below to install it, then connect your phone to the computer. Re-iBoot will automatically recognize your iPhone, and you only need to click Exit Recovery Mode. The screen will quickly change back to normal. If you want to more effectively repair an iPhone stuck in recovery mode without losing any data, follow these steps. Reopen Re-iBoot, click the green Start button, and make sure your iPhone is connected to the computer. Select the standard repair option to keep your data, then download the corresponding firmware. After the download is complete, click Start to proceed to the final step. This process takes approximately 10 minutes. Please be patient. Once completed, your iPhone will restart and return to normal. This tutorial ends here, showing how to fix an iPhone stuck on the recovery mode screen. A download link for Re-iBoot is provided below the video. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. I would greatly appreciate it. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos.